Today, today I want to go through preventive maintenance. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we want to go through preventive maintenance that people can do on their OM651 engine, Mercedes-Benz OM651 engine. That's regarding this related to the oil pressure. So in here we got a oil pressure plug, which is to replace the very advanced original Mercedes OM651 oil pressure solenoid. The location of that solenoid is actually, like you can see here, right, in the video. We're in front of a Vito OM651, the front wheel arch, and the location is actually here. So if you can see, like, there's like a connection dangling here. I hope you can see. It's a bit dark here, but yeah, this guy connect to the solenoid, the oil pressure solenoid. So the pressure of that guy was the purpose of that guy was to adjust the oil pressure. Is very, I mean, when they were created in the first place, the design in the first place, it was designed to regulate the oil pressure, which is very advanced, but that thing can caught and can fail. So that's why Mercedes indeed create this dummy plug that do nothing but just, you know, stop the oil leak. I mean, like, there's a hole, right? Like, if you want to replace the plug, then you have to replace something, and this is like this dumb plug. And this is the parts number. Sorry, it's a bit dirty, but I will try to put it in the video. So this is a 24mm plug. You want a socket that is thin enough to get into that location, so that you can unplug that, because you cannot do a fixed socket. So the guy that I'm going to use here is yeah, it was raining yesterday, but anyway, so I got this box of socket. Yeah, you actually, like, it's not sponsored, but anyway, I mean, I can share the brand. And the model of this set is just a normal 24mm socket set. So it's like this, and then you just use it to you know, tighten this guy, or like undone that guy from the car, from the engine. So because it's holding the oil in place, right? So you want to make sure your oil is drained, which in my case I already did. So you can see here, like, a bit of mess. I still didn't get it on the photo, but anyway, I got this drained. So what's next is I'm going to undone this with this socket, and we'll compare how it looks like from there. So we got the plug removed, so you can see that there is a hole, and well, actually, if you can also see, there's like a blue O-ring there that we have to remove afterwards, because otherwise it's blocking the new plug to be fitting. And this is the plug that got removed. I will paste the part number so you can compare, but but basically, like, you can see these two holes here. These are like the place that potentially can block or clog itself. So and although, like, most of the time, if you replace the oil frequent enough, it should not clog, but I mean, just in case, right? So, and anyway, you can see this is the replacement plug, which is exactly the same fitment, I think. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this thing, and then so what I'm going to do is, like, first of all, I need to remove the blue O-ring over there, right, like on the hole. Secondly, I will need to plug this thing inside. The Newton meters figures, the top figures that I found out was 30 Newton meters, but yeah, I will see, and in case it's not, I will put it on the video. And I will clean this thing, and then use a cable tie, whatever, plug this sensor to that plug that originally connecting to this plug, so so that it won't give any fault code. And worth to notice that this actually got disengaged. So yeah, very interesting. So as you can see, I got the O-ring out of the hole, and I have been using this peg tool. Like, I think it's good to have this kind of things, you know, just standing by. It's super handy, it's cheap, so yeah, anyway, it's super useful for this job. So I hope you can see that big silver bolt. I got that fit in. I actually cannot use a top wrench because the access here. Yeah, but I try my very best to tighten that with my wrench, and I hope it's do the job. Like, but you know, because I'm going to top up the engine oil, and I will see if there are any leak. I hope there's not, but in case there is, then yeah, I just tighten a little bit further, and you know, hopefully it should do the job. And so I did reassemble this guy. So you can see that ring is here, so just like that. The replacement puck that have a ring outside, and then there's another ring here, so 2 rings. And yeah, I'm going to connect the puck here with that connector, like that blue connector here, like, you know, dangling here, and then use a cable tie to tie it to somewhere so that the computer won't you know, flow any fault code. So you can see now the so you can see the pressure, you can see the pressure switch is actually cable tie here. I think this should be quite solid. I just need to cut this, you know, left over here, but for now it should be good. And I also reconnect the connector so that the computer won't flow any fault. And yeah, the next things I need to do is just, you know, top up some engine oil, make sure it does not leak. And yeah, I hope you like this video, found this useful. If you can, it would be really great. You can subscribe my channel, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Cheers.